Was there in the vehicles fired at our party, and in the ensuing firefight, 2 terrorists got killed and 3 persons additional were killed.
Signaled them to stop. They didn't stop. Then they put the searchlight on the vehicle, signaling them to again stop. But they did not stop. Instead, they opened heavy fire on the party. So in that retaliation by our party, there was one terrorist who got killed, and he fell down from the vehicle. And that vehicle veered off, traveled for some distance and veered off. And the second vehicle moved ahead. So this was what happened, and later on when we searched, we found that in the vehicle there were 3 more persons who had died, who were travelling with the terrorist who had died earlier. We have recovered one AK-74, 3 magazines and around 88 rounds from the dead terrorist. And the first terrorist was from LET. It's a banned organization. He's a category B terrorist who got activated in July 2017. And the second terrorist who was found today morning was again from banned outfit of LET, activated in November 2017, and he was category B.
In this area of late, we have been receiving inputs that the increased movement of terrorists in the area. We did not have any specific input of this moment, but we had input that the terrorist movement has increased in the area. I would just like to issue one advisory to the Awam here, that whenever a terrorist is moving with the weapon vehicle, they should avoid travelling with the terrorist, because it becomes very difficult for us to know who is travelling in the vehicle. It is my request to the Awam. I will request the media to propagate this request to the Awam, that whenever a terrorist is moving, they should avoid moving with the terrorist in the same vehicle.